Good morning to everyone. My name is Raghavi. I am studying in 6th class ZPHS KORATPALLY English medium. The different bones of different body parts together form a single structure is called skeleton. Skull. The skull is made up of many bones joined together. It protects the brain. Clavicle. There are two shoulder bones. The longer bone joins to the shoulder bone is called clavicle. This is upper bone of arm. This is lower bone of arm. These are bones of the fingers. Ribs. Ribs are bent on joints to the chest bone and backbone. This together form like a box. This is called a rib cage. Heart and lungs are protected inside the rib cage. Pelvic girdle. This shape of bones on both the sides of our body below stomach is called pelvic girdle. This is thigh bone. This is calf bone. This is knee bone. The part between thigh bone and calf bone is called knee bone. These are bones of the toes. Jawbone. The joint between the upper jaw and the rest of the head, it is fixed. We can move only lower jaw.
Again you move it, lower jaw. Yes.
Backbone or
Okay.
backbone or spinal cord. In a long structure in the middle of the back is called spinal cord. These small bones are called vertebrae. Totally we have 33 vertebrae. 24 vertebrae only we can movable. 5 vertebrae merge are 5 vertebrae merge are form a single bone. 4 merge are form another single bone.
My name is Harshitha.
My name is Pujita.
The joint between the shoulder blades and the upper arm is called as ball and socket joint. This is shoulder, this is upper arm.
You show it here only. You show in this only. Yes. Explain.
This move any sides.
Yes.
Back, it rotates
Clockwise
back.
and anti-clockwise.
This rotate backwise and anti-clockwise.
What is that called?
Ball and socket joint.
Very good. Next.
Hinge joint. This joint allows the movement of bones in only one direction, that is forward and backward. Example, knee, elbow and ankle joint. It works exactly like a hinge fixed to a door. So this joint is called as hinge joint.
Yes.
It is hinge joint.
Show that. It is called as?
Hinge joint.
Yes.
Some parts of the ear and nose are soft and others are hard. The hard parts are made up of a structure called cartilage. This is also a bone, but it is flexible. Thank you.
Thank you.